Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This week I am sharing 2 new cards with you all, and these are again deconstructed envelope cards, and they are almost the same with a small difference, the opening flap as you just saw, and one is a bit more of a square shape and the other is more of a rectangle. Now their basic design is the same, the only difference being the placement of the score lines. Both sport a pocket, and one has a little booklet in the pocket and the other had a journaling tag, as you just saw, and I decorated them a bit differently, but it's basically the same. And you can see the difference if you use different design paper colors. They give you different atmospheres and different flavors, as it were. So I'm just about to show you the technique, including the magnetized closure that they both have. So it's very easy to close and very easy to open up. They both also have a ribbon pull to help you open these up. So let's move on to the tutorial. That was the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was fun to watch and also helpful for you to create your own. I showed you some variations, both with the measurements and the score lines, and also with using different papers. So play around, guys. Use up that stash that you have. Admit it. And I know what I'm talking about. I have my own stash. So yeah, thank you for watching. Press the like if you like this video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to share some ideas. So I will see you next time. Thanks again. Bye bye.